back to my channel. So today I'm playing Tower of Hell with my friend Chloe. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I hate this.
It fell. Wait, where are you?
I keep on falling. It's better if we use low gravity.
I know.
Should I buy it?
No, don't buy it.
Okay.
Because there's other stage. Let me check the other stage because I'm almost done with the stage. Yeah, I finished it. Let me check. Yeah, sure. Get low gravity one.
Okay. I'll get low grav.
Low grav is really easy for this.
Okay, I bought it.
But some stage is really difficult.
Like the
yellow brick one.
This is much better, but I'm still failing it.
No, I died! Oh, from the blue level. The low grav.
It's easier. Like
It is. You can just jump. You don't really have to do much. Have you passed it yet?
I fell when
You just gotta turn your mouse. I think you gotta turn your character, so then it'll move.
Okay, I passed it.
I just failed. I fell from the gray level.
Oh. Yay! Let's do the blue level.
Oh, the blue one. You know, the timing is so wrong. I fell in the last one. I got killed by the laser in the last one.
Oh my gosh, no, I was standing in the middle. I didn't know I was there.
I know, right?
And then it's really confusing. Like, you will say, like, should I walk?
Oh no, I died. I didn't see the laser.
This is really hard.
Do you want to have a little race?
Sure.
Sure. Just to make it more fun.
Yeah.
We've started already.
Yeah. Just start. Yeah.
Let's see who can make it to... Oh, I just fell.
Oh no.
You might win this if you make it in the 4 minutes. But
Yeah.
no one has made it to the top. That means the red, I think, and the yellow might be tough. Or people are just failing this level. But actually, this level, if you use shift lock, it'll be really easy.
I know, I'm using
But I don't like shift lock.
No! I was walking past it because I saw it disappear, but kills me.
I know. You gotta time it right. You should jump. Jump while you do the blue stage. It actually helps. How many coins do you have?
Like 4, 7, 4,
You
6.
know, I used to have 20,000, but I bought too many boxes, and one time I bought the entire collection of stuff, so there's low grab negativity adding stuff. That's why I have so little.
I got like...
Wait, I only have 100. But it's actually quite easy to gain back.
Yeah.
It's just...
What are you playing on? Are you playing on iPad or...
Yeah.
Oof, I fell again. Oh my
No,
gosh.
I died! I keep hitting the ending of the blue
Wait, I'm
one.
checking the red stage.
What is the red stage?
Yeah, I don't even know what the red stage
I
is.
can't see it. I can see the yellow one. I can't see the red one. I think the blue line is blocking it.
The yellow one is a bit easy.
Yeah.
Like,
Someone went onto the red level. Someone's on the red level.
Oh yeah, they fell. So it's hard, because...
Yeah. It's probably something, those moving ones.
Oh, I hate those.
It's actually not that difficult if you're like getting better.
Like, I don't like the blue moving one. Like with the kill
blue,
part.
You know the blue moving one used to be one of the easiest ones.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, you're level 6? I thought you said you're level 16.
I said I was level 6. I'm not that
But you said
good.
16.
I'm not that good in Town Hell.
No, I don't. Oh my god.
I don't actually really play Adopt Me now. Sometimes we'll force an Adopt Me.
Oh, I only claim it for my Star Rewards.
Yeah, I already claimed Witch's Caravan. I just need the golden egg.
Oh, I got the golden egg. I'm working on the diamond egg. My friend got her diamond egg.
What did you hatch in your golden egg?
I hatched a golden unicorn.
Aw, cute.
And then my friend hatched a diamond dragon.
Ooh.
Yeah, because she said the diamond unicorn is ugly.
It's not that ugly. The griffin one is really, I don't really like the griffin.
I don't like the griffin, but the dragon's so cute. If you see it in like real life, it's so cute.
But in the dark, it's like...
In the dark, they look horrible. Oh,
Yeah.
but I got the diamond ladybug.
Really? I don't have any
Yes.
Robux, so I can't buy
I
any.
thought you got blocks. No, you played blocks first.
Yeah, because I bought blocks before very long time ago.
Wait, but what do you play Bloxburg? I feel like it's really boring.
I build houses and I earn money and I role play with my friends.
See?
I haven't posted a video.
You know, you like Royal High, don't you?
Yeah, I bought heroes. Do you play Royal High?
I used to on my old account. And now I don't. Okay, by the end of the time, we'll see who has more points. But because we both have been on blue, the points will be the same. We'll just see which one's higher.
We're like, oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh
I mean-
no! Why did I jump on that stage?
There's a second stage. There's a second stage.
And the time will go because this
I
app,
did it. I got it to red.
this app, what's
No! You know why red is so hot? Because the laser goes on the red.
what?
So the laser goes on the red, so then you have to jump right when the laser lands.
The film, like the maximum time is 15 minutes, so yeah.
Someone had time, right?
Yeah, but it's speed now because somebody, I think,
Somebody actually made it to the top.
no, they are one person made it to the top. It's almost next round.
Marina,
Yeah.
later you want to try playing a new game?
Well, I have to go soon because I have class. I have class Zoom at 2:30. You know I'm still filming,
I
right?
have class.
You know I'm still filming, right?
Okay, well you cut it out.
Yeah, okay.
Do you know how to cut it out?
Yeah.
Do you know the blue level? If you jump too far, you die.
Oh my gosh, I almost nearly fell, like when I was climbing the thingy. Jump, yay. Okay. I made past the blue level. Let's do the orange level. The stages here so far are pretty easy.
No, I keep falling from the floor.
No! I fell again.
I keep dying on the blue stage.
Lol, I'm gonna stop filming now. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye!